Welcome to Buyer's Guide. The best baking ware is probably one of the most essential components in any kitchen, transforming simple ingredients into delicious masterpieces, from fluffy cakes and perfectly risen breads to savory pies and delicate pastries. Whether you're a seasoned baker or just starting your culinary journey, having the right set of baking pans, sheets, and molds can significantly impact the outcome of your creations, ensuring even heat distribution, preventing sticking, and making cleanup a breeze. Investing in quality baking ware means investing in your passion for baking, allowing you to achieve professional-level results right in your own home and impress your friends and family with your delectable treats. Number 5. Nordic Ware Naturals Half-Sheet Pan, 2-pack. Experience consistently even browning with our pure aluminum bakeware. It ensures your baked goods turn out perfectly every time. These premium pans are designed to last. They are guaranteed never to rust, providing you with dependable, long-lasting use. Our encapsulated galvanized steel rims offer exceptional strength. They prevent warping, maintaining the quality and shape of your pans through countless baking sessions. With generous exterior dimensions of 17.9 by 12.9 inches, these pans are ideal for a wide variety of recipes. Use them for all your baking and roasting needs. Crafted in America using domestic and imported materials, our aluminum bakeware is built to endure a lifetime of use in your home kitchen. What we like? This one offers superior heat conductivity for perfectly browned results every time. If you are a serious baker who demands consistent, even heating and long-lasting durability, this is the choice for you. Its robust construction ensures it will be a staple in your kitchen for years to come. What people say? The baking ware is made of durable stainless steel, ensuring even heat distribution for perfect baking results. Its nonstick coating makes cleanup a breeze, as food slides right off without scrubbing. The set includes a variety of sizes, perfect for everything from small batches of cookies to large roasts. Number 4. NutriChef 10-piece nonstick kitchen oven baking pans. This comprehensive 10-piece baking set has everything you need for all your baking adventures. From cakes and loaves to muffins and cookies, it's got you covered. Enjoy hassle-free baking with its superior non-stick coating. Food releases easily without any need for extra grease, and there's no unpleasant odor. Bake with confidence, as these pans are oven-safe up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. They are perfect for creating all your favorite treats, from delicate pastries to rich brownies. The commercial-grade bakeware features heat-proof silicone handles for safe and comfortable use. They stay cool to the touch, preventing accidental burns. When not in use, these professional molds stack neatly together, saving valuable kitchen space. They are designed for convenient storage and are compatible with standard ovens. Cleanup is a breeze thanks to the non-stick surface. While dishwasher safe, hand washing is recommended to ensure their longevity. What we like? This comprehensive set provides a wide variety of pans for all your baking needs, from cakes to cookies to muffins. Its non-stick surface ensures effortless food release and easy cleanup. If you're looking for an all-in-one solution to cover all your baking projects, this set is ideal. What people say? This is a great baking pan. It is very sturdy and does not warp in the oven. The non-stick coating on this baking dish is excellent. Food slides right off. I love the even heating of this baking sheet. My cookies come out perfectly golden brown every time. Number 3. Rachael Ray Non-Stick 3-Piece Baking Pan Set. This baking sheet set is crafted from durable steel, ensuring it resists warping for long-lasting use. Its superior non-stick coating guarantees excellent food release and makes cleanup a breeze. You'll receive 3 essential sizes to suit all your baking needs: a 9 by 13 inch, a 10 by 15 inch, and an 11 by 17 inch cookie pan. Enjoy the convenience of all-over non-stick coating that ensures your baked goods slide right off. This also makes cleaning up after baking incredibly easy. The extra-wide, grippy handles offer a confident and comfortable grasp, even when handling hot pans. They are also oven-safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. Feel good about your purchase, as a portion of the proceeds supports Yummo, a nonprofit dedicated to fostering healthy relationships with food for children and families. We stand behind the quality of our bakeware. This set comes with a quality assurance guarantee for your peace of mind. What we like? This set offers 3 essential cookie pan sizes, perfect for various baking tasks. The durable steel resists warping and the non-stick surface makes cleanup a breeze. If you frequently bake cookies or sheet pan meals and appreciate a confident grip while handling hot pans, this set is a great option. What people say. The Bakeware is made of high-quality stainless steel, ensuring durability and even heat distribution. The non-stick coating makes cleanup a breeze, and food releases easily without sticking. The set includes a variety of sizes, perfect for different baking needs, from small batches to larger cakes. Number 2. Amazon Basics 6-Piece Non-Stick Bakeware Set. Introducing the Amazon Basics 6-Piece Non-Stick Bakeware Set. This collection provides all the essentials for your baking needs, from cakes to cookies. It includes a loaf pan, 2 cake pans, a muffin pan, a roast pan, and a baking sheet. You'll have the perfect pan for every recipe. Enjoy easy cleanup with its non-stick coating. Your baked goods will release effortlessly, saving you time and frustration. Crafted from heavyweight steel, it ensures thorough and even heating. This means perfectly baked goods every time. These pans are oven safe up to 428 degrees Fahrenheit, making them reliable for all your baking adventures. For best results, hand wash. This set is a great addition to your kitchen, part of the trusted Amazon Basics Non-Stick Bakeware collection. What we like. This set provides a good range of essential bakeware pieces for everyday use. The heavyweight steel construction ensures thorough and even heating for consistent results. If you're starting out or need a reliable, basic set for common baking tasks, this is a practical choice. What people say. The Bakeware is made of durable stainless steel, ensuring even heat distribution for perfect baking results. Its non-stick coating makes cleanup a breeze, preventing food from sticking and maintaining the cookware's pristine condition. The set includes a variety of sizes, offering versatility for different baking needs, from small batches to large family meals. Number 1. Rachael Cucina Non-Stick Bakeware Set. Experience everyday durability with this bakeware set. Its heavy-gauge steel construction and rolled rims are designed for easy, reliable use. Enjoy long-lasting non-stick performance, inside and out. This ensures excellent food release and makes cleanup a breeze. Baking is comfortable and controlled thanks to the silicone grips on the handles. They provide a solid, comfortable grasp, even with pot holders. Designed for performance, this set is oven safe up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. It includes all the essential shapes for cakes, cookies, roasting, and more. From sheet pan dinners to homemade loaves and roasted vegetables, these versatile pans handle it all. The included lid makes it easy to take your creations on the go. This comprehensive 10-piece set includes everything you need. You'll find cookie pans, round and square cake pans, loaf pans, a rectangular cake pan with a lid, and a muffin pan. What we like. This extensive set offers a versatile collection of shapes and sizes for all your baking endeavors, from cakes to roasting. The heavy-gauge steel and non-stick coating ensure durability and easy cleanup. If you appreciate a comfortable grasp and need a wide array of baking essentials for both sweet and savory dishes, this set is a fantastic value. What people say. The Bakeware is made of durable stainless steel. The non-stick coating ensures easy food release and quick cleanup. The set includes various sizes, perfect for different baking needs. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.